What do you do when you've lost passion for your work? We've all been there. Those times when you're experiencing burnout and just don't have that same passion for what it is that you do. Number one, learn something new. Find something in your field that excites you. I have a friend who's a teacher. He's been a teacher for 20 years, teaching the same grade year after year. Every year or two, he finds something in his field that excites him, that he can dive into, sink his teeth into, and will reboot and re-excite his teaching career. If you can find something in your field that's going to make you a better employee, chances are your boss will pay for it. So do a little research, find something exciting, and learn something new. Number two, the 20% rule. Studies show that if we can find enjoyment and passion in 20% of what we do, that's enough for us to be satisfied with our jobs. So look at the different roles you have in your job and look at what excites you, what thrills you, what do you enjoy doing. See if you can cultivate that into 20% of what you do and schedule it at the end of the day so you have something to look forward to. Number three, look outside your job. What are the benefits that this job provides for you? I have a friend, she doesn't really love her job, but it provides her an amazing lifestyle. She has very flexible hours. She gets to spend a lot of time with her kids. She gets to go mountain bike on her lunch hour, and it pays pretty well. So by focusing on all of the value that it provides her lifestyle outside of work, it makes that job much more tolerable. So think about it. Is there something new you can learn? Can you expand your passions to 20% of what you do? And what benefits to your life is this job providing? I'd love to know what you do when you're feeling burnt out, when you're losing that passion for your career. So share below any tips or tricks you have for that reboot. This is Kristen Race from Mindful Life, and thanks for watching Better Than Wine.